Hey, it's Anissa, and today we have for you the Swirl and Twirl Spin Mop Cleaning System. Now, there's a lot of these on the market, but I like this version the best for a couple of reasons. First, it's pedal-free, so this is great for those of us that have balance issues. Another reason to love this is the dual spinning system that gives you a spinner in the bucket itself. And this is great because it's going to get rid of the dust, dirt, and hair from your mop head. And then you take it into the basket. And this is how you can control the amount of water that you put on your floor. You're actually cleaning your floor with a fresh mop head every time. Best of all, the mop head is machine washable. The Swirl and Twirl is so easy to assemble and use. Attach the handle to the stainless steel pole, then unscrew the connector, place on the bottom of the pole, and then put the pole into it and screw it tight. Put the mop head on the floor, place the attachment over it, and step down with your foot. And now it's snapped into place. And once assembled, you're ready to clean. And you're not gonna believe the versatility of this. The mop head has a 360-degree swivel, so you can clean at any angle you need to reach, and you can even tilt the handle to get under couches and beds. If you're looking for the best spin mop on the market, this is it. It's effortless to use and will have your floors sparkling clean. And we have a great price on it. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab one or two today.